cannot be settled. There will be an apology. You see, he's done this before to other people. Others adopt self-help. I do not do that. And I've given him a lot of time. He's done many posts. Every week he does posts. For instance, I can give a certain example. I have a memorial for my parents of the 19th. He's gone ahead and put a post that I will give each person 2,000 shillings and maize flour. He's picked a post from an official announcement and created his own post. That's what he does. That's what he does.
You've had a chance to read.
Yes, that's what he does. So I'm a senior counsel, and for me to get to a point where I write a complaint, it shows you it's got out of hand. And we are dealing with not one but many, and continue. But I don't take the law into my hands. I don't. I follow the law. So maybe when he will be back here maybe next week, the following week, he'll be here many times. He'll be here very many times. Very many times. You're just starting. Just the beginning. If he changes,
you're naive to object.
No, if he changes, no, it's okay. If he changes,
to object to what Senior Counsel is stating, because this is a plea-take in session. The matters that the factual matters that have not been brought before you. The charge sheet reads just 3 counts, Your Honor. The allegations that are being made from the bench, that's very risky for the status of my client, Your Honor. It's important that, Your Honor, we stick to the procedures, even as we, senior objects to the state that my client said that you work for him. Your Honor, if that is the issue, that can be addressed during the hearing. Your Honor, there's no need to call him a boy. It's demeaning, Your Honor. He also is a man who is also doing his work as a media consultant. Your Honor, it's important that his reputation be protected so that, Your Honor, we don't divulge into the hearing of this matter at this stage. I pray, Your Honor, that we rest now and wait for my senior counsel here to bring to the court's attention all those issues that he has. Can actually be a witness, Your Honor.
Now the complainant?
Yes, the complainant. He'll have all his time in court. So, Your Honor, as we stand, let's just stick to the plea session so that we don't risk moving into areas that are not before you today.
Then again, he has misled the court. He's not a media consultant. He's a blogger, not a media consultant. You can establish his level of education. But Your Honor was just saying that there are more complaints and that you have raised the issue of settlement, which I have no problem with, Your Honor. But he would need not only to pull down everything, but to prepare an apology for many days. And not to engage in those acts again in the future. But for now, Your Honor, I'm just saying that there are many complaints. And he's not just done this to me, to other people as well. He's notorious. And that's what I need to bring the attention of the court. But he's notorious. You give him bail, you leave court, that's okay. But by his own acts, he will be here again. That's what I'm telling the court, Your Honor. Your Honor, I have no problem. Your Honor, you can see what he's done. Your Honor, I am the vice chair of the Security Committee in the Senate. A lot of the things that he posts border on security violation. Many of them. So that's why I'm saying that unless he completely changes, it will be impossible to help him or to settle this matter. That's what I'm saying. Unless he just changes completely, it will be impossible to settle this matter. That's what I think.
Thank you, Counsel. You notice this is not going on record.
Yes, it's okay.